just received my Samsung S25 Ultra. I bought the 1 TB storage and the color is jade green. So this is the packaging. It's just simple. Yeah, easy. Let's get into it. So this is the phone. We'll look at that in a minute. So what do we get in here? So we've got the pin and the cable. Already got a plug in the cable, so don't really need to use this, just need to use the pin, and that's about it. So here it is. Fingerprint magnet already. Just look at them lenses. Yeah, it's actually quite a nice colour. From here, from my angle, it looks a little bit like silvery. From here it's green and a little bit blue, I would say, yeah. And the side is actually like a titanium colour. Yeah, a nice display. So it's much more narrow, or a little bit more narrow, which I prefer than the normal S24 Ultra. Got to put screen protector. So now it's a 6.9 inch, which is a nice size. And we've got the AI enhancement. I think this is the new 50 megapixel Ultra, so that's good. Still 12 gig, wish it was 16, but hopefully on the next one. And yeah, we got that new Snapdragon Elite, which is very good. Yeah, so I will actually have to play some games like Weathering Waves. And yeah, and then the battery is the same, but with the new processor, the new chip, it will last a little bit longer. Is it 31 hours? They said video, but we've got to try it. My attention, the quality of the lenses. But yeah, we're gonna go and do some tests.